the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. For all the Buddhas of the three times, the true nature of the path is that it is not to be travelled on. Where would we go by travelling? This is the supreme level of primordial awareness. Lord, this is what I ask you. Please explain to me definitively the true nature of the levels and the paths that is beyond our positions on engagement and travel. Then the Tathagata Vajrasattva proclaimed these words: O Mahasattva, the Tantra equal to the end of the sky is by nature a path that is not to be travelled on. We do not go on it by travelling over it. When self-arising awareness truly appears to us, we are there in a single moment, without going there. On the path of going, we have an objective, so going by means of travelling is a very long road. Self-originating awareness moves into unity. It expands and contracts in self-luminous light. In self-originating awareness, we are Buddhas. Free from the flow of samsara's pathways, both nirvana and the river of samsara melt into self-luminous light. Indivisible awareness is the best of embodiments. The self-luminous transmission of awareness does not travel. Through travelling and going, we reach ourselves. There are no dharmas that are not self-luminous. The clear light of wisdom has no centre or border. We are free from all grasping. We do not visualize anything. The transmission of pervasive and shining great bliss, which brings us what we want, is a dominion of the Dharma that is non-dual and has no limits. It is not nirvana. It is not samsara. We may travel everywhere in the 10 directions, but there is no objective other than self-luminous awareness. This is different than anything we have experienced. The wisdom of clear light is a space of happiness. It is Vajrasattva's great bliss. It has no distractions. It is apart from the causes we define. This is the self-originating transmission that is famed for being miraculous. Once we have met up with the symbols for self-luminescent wisdom, we will be the equals of Sri Nalandra. The dumb may savour the taste of delight, but lack a method to exemplify it in words. Everything is enveloped in the taste of great bliss, and is not to be limited by "think of this" or "this is the measure."